This is what you get when you work out at home. Hey human, I'm a Braxton Evelyn, the beauty fit chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty fit chick, I am just gonna show you my workout routine, usually done on a spin bike. And I'll be sharing with you some reasons why I love and prefer to spin rather than do other exercises. Simple. So you'll be able to lose weight, burn off calories by doing a 30-minute spinning class, and all the results are worth it. Trust me, they are worth it. Spinning is not just a workout, it's an experience you don't want to miss out on. So basically, you should try spinning as it has a lot of benefits, especially if you are looking to lose weight and fat. So there are different intensities. There's a high level intensity. You have the interval sessions. You can do this at a studio, a gym, but hey guys, get ready to sweat. Yes, it is a perfect way to get a great bike workout without being in the saddle for hours. Remember to stay hydrated. Now, let me share a few benefits that you will gain from spinning. You have better cardiovascular health, it improves brain health, better breathing. I mentioned weight loss and fat loss. Then you gain stronger muscles. It reduces the risk of diabetes because of the insulin that breaks down while you exercise. You achieve a better mood, yes, and it helps with breathing. Most of these benefits are from a research I carried out, so I will say yes to better cardiovascular health. I will say better breathing, weight loss, yes, fat loss, yes, strong muscles, yes, I have experienced all of this. Better mood, yes. Now, guys, the reason why I exercise or talk about weight loss is not because I want to be thin. No, I'm just promoting the fact that it's okay and it's good to maintain a healthy lifestyle, and that is by eating good and exercising once in a while, not every day. I will not recommend that. And do not forget to drink a lot of water. And guess what, guys? Mind your business while you're doing all of this. And I must say, thank you so much. God bless you for watching up to this point. Remember to consider subscribing if you haven't, and do a post workout even when you have annoying siblings around. I love you. God bless you. Bye.